You can now use Seedance 2.0 free and unlimited. This website not only gives access of Seedance 2, it also provides almost all AI video generator models free. You can also able to use Seedance 2 Pro, text to video, image to video, frames to video. 2.6 all models, and few models can be used completely free including Seedance 2.0, also Google Veo 3.1, Hailuo 2.3, image to video and text to video. Kling 2.6 and Kling 3.0 Pro, image to video and text to video. Also Kling O1 all related models, Kling O3 Pro models, Sora 2 Plus, image to video and text to video. I have already made video with Seedance, you can also use it for free. I will show you everything in detail with 3 ways to access in Seedance 2.0 for free. Just watch this video till the end. I will add necessary links in description so that you can easily access. You may face challenge to use Seedance, but after watching this video you will able to use Seedance truly. Stay connected, I will show how to access exactly and use Seedance. If you see this, don't worry, I will show all ways to use Seedance 2.0. Alternatively you may try doubao website from your country but also couldn't use for country restriction. Wait till the end, I will also show a solution soon within this video. You can also try this website. Seedance 2 Pro, I also provide all website links in description and first comment. Click Launch App button, and log in using your Google account for your easy access. After login, you will see this dashboard to use Seedance AI video generator. This website only use Seedance 2 model to generate AI videos. But the problem is this website provides only 200 credits for free. So you can only make a single video with one account. I will show you later in this video how you can use this webbeast to make AI video using Seedance 2.0 unlimited for free. Stay connected, I will show you everything. But before that let's try to make a video using Seedance 2.0. Let's give a prompt in this box. I am writing a simple prompt and you can write whatever in your mind. After inputting your prompt, click on Generate button and you will see your task is submitted for generating a video for Seedance 2.0 model. And a pop-up for a free trial option and select No Thanks options from below. You will also see your 200 credits will be used to generate a single video. So what we will do is to switch our Google profile. And I recommend you to use this website. Firstly click on Login and use your Google account to login. After successful login you will see a pop-up will be showed. Fill this form and you will get 200 extra credits to generate more videos. So in new account you have 700 credits. Now click on Try Seedance 2.0 button to generate your new AI videos for free with Seedance 2.0. Or you can use any other AI models if you want as I showed you earlier. I recommend to use this AI. I will add this website link in description and first comment. And also you can use Seedance 2 Pro website by switching your Google accounts. Each time you will create a new account will get 200 credits. So you can use this strategy. Or may try this website named doubao. It is only supports China. So after coming to this site, you will need to connect with VPN. From your Google browser, click on 3 dot, then come to Chrome Web Store and find Urban VPN. And install it to your browser. After installing, come back to this website and enable VPN and connect to China. See the steps in screen. If you have any confusion anywhere in video, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. After connection complete, refresh this page, and you will see this website's homepage. As this website is Chinese, you should click right button and select Translate to English for English language. You may face this website is working so slowly, because there are huge users all over world is trying to use this Chinese website for free. Come to AI creation button to use Seedance 2.0. You may face technical errors or slow loading related problems or issues when you will try to generate video using Seedance 2.0 model. This website is not working properly, so I am switching my web browser. You need to always careful when you will give a prompt. My given prompt was failed to generate a video, so let's try more simple prompt here. Submitting prompt here and switch back to my another browser. And inputting a random prompt if it is working or not. As I told you earlier, this website is not working properly due to high traffic. So I highly recommend you to use this website to use Seedance 2.0. I will keep the link in description and first comment. If you want to get fastest use, I recommend you to upgrade to any paid plan. I recommend you to use Pro or Ultra plan. Let's see some generation of Seedance 2.0.